Hi House and Home, I'm Jean Ross with Row Design Studio, and we're here in Burlington at my client's home. This renovation focused on the back of the house, which includes the kitchen and the dining room. The clients wanted a bigger kitchen, more functional space, and they really wanted a dining room that was more thoughtful to spend time with their family. When they called me initially, they really wanted an overhaul. They weren't happy with the layout. The kitchen felt really disjointed. My first thought was, how do we give them the most function within this space? Because there was a few challenges. There was a window that we were working around. There was an HVAC wall that we couldn't move due to budget. I was trying to work this puzzle on how to best give the most functional layout possible to them. When I presented this option to the clients, they were open, which was great. It was the go-ahead to come up with this design without a window, which was so helpful. We were able to create some symmetry with the range. We put the range in the center of that wall, exactly where the window was. The old closet was not functional. We were able to extend the run of the kitchen with storage housing the fridge where the old closet was, which made so much extra space. We were also able to use the HVAC wall and create architectural detail with the curve. So it curves up over here, and then we made another one that mimics it on the other side. And it just makes it feel encased and thoughtful, and it just flows. I love the backsplash so much. It's a really fun, quirky touch. It's the checkerboard, the green and the white, it's classic. And then we paired the backsplash with a beautiful Caesar stone quartz countertop. It's neutral, it has some really beautiful veining in it, and it complements the backsplash. You always want every space to look different and really represent the people who live there. So we've got this really fun, but still timeless foundation. And then we're layering it with like old finds, antiques, the unlacquered brass faucet and pot filler. They're gonna patina over time, and it just gives that sort of old world feel that adds to the warmth of the space. I love the cabinets so much. We went with a flat panel and a matte finish of this warm mushroom color. It does have a modern twist, but it also was friendly on the budget. We're able to, with the open shelving, showcase some of their things, and then some antique finds, and then some useful things like mugs and plates. And I love the idea of adding some wall sconces, which just makes the room feel so warm when the lights are on. Anytime you can add a light element is really helpful in a space. And I found that losing that window, we didn't lose any light at all. There's a beautiful sliding door in the dining room that just lets in so much light. And because we brought the wall down from the kitchen to the living room, the light just flowed in and really didn't miss the window at all. Initially, the hallway was just your standard door frame, but we thought it should have its own moment. So we made it a little bit bigger, gave it an arch, and it makes it feel special and leads into the idea of that wall having its own personality. We color drenched the whole hallway into this rich tone. It complements the rest of the spaces, and then we painted the inside door frame a soft yellow. And it's just that unexpected touch, something different, but it works. I love the dining room so much. It was a blank canvas. They had the table, there was a hutch in the back, but they were missing something and they weren't able to pull it together. So we added wallpaper. It's this kind of neutral granny vibe that I think looks great, because anytime you mix florals with stripes, and it has both, they complement each other. And then obviously a gallery wall. I mean, you can't go wrong with landscape prints. Different frame colors, old and new. It just mixes everything up and ties it together too. And then we added this really beautiful dining room table, which again is timeless. The wood tones are different and they don't have to match. I think it really gives it character and personality. We incorporated extra storage, they can put things in it, and then we painted it this soft blue, which again is kind of unexpected. We didn't want to go over the top with scallops. We added it in this subtle way, which was the back of the bench. We put a cushion on the bench. It comes together in this unexpected, but yet very thoughtful way. I love this space so much.